Good morning to one and all. And warm welcome to the video lecture to you all. Myself, Dr. E.S. Lopragasam, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, Erode Engineering College, Erode. Today, we discuss about Engineering Chemistry, Unit 1. The topic is Water Chemistry. Before entering the water chemistry, we want to know the source of waters. So you know that. So water is the most important compound for all the living organisms such as human beings, animals and plants. About 80% of the Earth's surface is occupied by the water. You know the very well for about the water. Today topic is water technology or water treatment. The water technology, the process of removing all type of impurities from water and making it fit for domestic and industrial purpose is called water technology or it's called for water treatment. The main source of waters are rain, rivers and lakes, wells and springs and seawater. You know very well, the rain is the main source for the water. Then rivers and lakes available in surface, so it's called for surface water. Wells and springs is in underground water. Then finally seawater. Let's see the picture. Source of water. The first is pictures discovered rainwater. You know that the rainwater is very pure and compared to all the water resources, but it contaminated by with the gases. How? Due to the industrial activities and human activities. Then second one, seawater. You know very well, the seawater is fully salt content of water. So available in naturally the high concentration of salt available in the seawater only. Then the water is classified into two types, which is hard water and soft water. Let's see hard water. So water which does not produce lather with soap solution. This is called as hard water. Say example for the hard water, some underground salty water and sea water, because the sea water is presence of dissolved calcium and magnesium salts. So this type of salt is called for hard water. Now soft water, water which is produced lather readily with soap solution, that kind of water is called as soft water. This is due to the absence of calcium and magnesium salt in the water, so it's called for soft water. See the reaction. Example for the hard water, 2 molecule of C17H35 COO plus calcium 2 plus. That means calcium 2 plus or magnesium 2 plus, because hardness causing ions is present in the hard water. The first compound is sodium soap. So take an example for hard water. To apply the soap solution to the water, it converted to form the calcium soap. The soap is formed as precipitate in the under the bottom of the uh, glass. Okay, next one, we have to try to home experiment to find out the hard water or soft water. So take an example for the two types of water. In the first one, drinking water taken one class, then another one sea water for the second class. Now add soap solution for the both classes. When it is produced the latter with the soap solution, the kind of water is called as soft water. Which is not produced the latter with the soap solution, the kind of water is called as hard water. So see the picture, this is clearly explained by the finding out the hard water and soft water to your home experiment. The next one, hardness of water. So hardness of water is nothing but the property of water which does not produce lather with the soap solution. You already discussed in the previous slides. Now, how to detect hardness of the water? When the water is treated with the soap solution, it forms white scum. Scum means nothing but it's a precipitate. The water contains hardness. The precipitate is nothing but the presence of calcium and magnesium ions. The next one, the water containing hardness to find out in laboratory by using Erichrome black tea is an indicator. It is produced with wine red color with hard water at pH 9 to 10. The pH 9 to 10 is called for basic water nature. See the picture. So clearly in the wine red color is identified that the water is present in the hardness causing ions. So it is produced in the wine red color. Okay, next one, types of hardness. Hardness is classified into two types, which is temporary hardness and permanent hardness. The temporary hardness also is called for carbonate hardness or alkaline hardness. Now see the temporary hardness. The temporary hardness is due to the presence of bicarbonates of calcium and magnesium. You know that the hard water containing calcium and magnesium ions. You know that in the ions combined with the carbonates, that means bicarbonates or carbonate, it's formed in the temporary hardness. Okay. Next, how to remove the temporary hardness from the water? This can be removed by two processes, which is boiling the water, adding lime to the water. You have to try to every home we are heat water to the drinking purpose, because all the microorganisms killed, then eat, then drink well to healthy process, so that all the human beings boiled to drink boiled water only. Okay, now see that boiling the water. When the water is boiled with 100 degrees Celsius, all the ions are separated. So no need adding some kind of chemicals. The natural process for the boiling the water to the healthy one. Then second one, adding lime to the water. You have to take one glass of water to add lime to form magnesium hydroxide and calcium carbonate is precipitate in the bottom of the glass. Then the water is used for drinking purpose by filtration. Very important. Okay, you need to directly drink the water by adding lime to the water. Okay, see the reactions. The first one, calcium bicarbonate, so heated with to precipitate calcium carbonate, then water and carbon dioxide. Then adding lime to the water, the second reaction, magnesium bicarbonate, the reacted with the calcium hydroxide. You know that calcium hydroxide is a lime. That means we are using in the foam. They are reacted with to form magnesium hydroxide and the calcium carbonates. Both are precipitated in the bottom of the glass. So finally we get water. Then next one, permanent hardness. So permanent hardness is also called for the non-carbonate hardness or non-alkaline hardness. This is due to the presence of chlorides and sulfates of calcium and magnesium. The permanent hardness removed by the some process. The first one, lime soda process and the zeolite process. It cannot be removed by boiling the water, but it can be removed by the two additional process, lime soda process and the zeolite process. Okay. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Thank you once again all. Thank you.